we are going to hit the Black Veil on Essex Street. It's not the same one that's on Boston Street where they do the tattooing. This is their little satellite place here on Essex. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to go and check it out. And this is it. It's right across the street from the Salem Witch House you can see in the background. Doesn't it?
Yeah, Netflix or the show. Yeah.
So that's the Black Veil. Definitely got to come check that out. Anyway, we're going to keep on walking. Going over to the Witch House next.